Dear viewers, last episode I have discussed how we can build a confirmation dialog using matblazor in Blazor WebAssembly application. In this episode, I will discuss how we can customize this confirmation dialog. Okay, let's add a component for confirmation dialog. So add a CSS file for this component. Here, so let's remove this code part from here. Also, I need to add a partial keyword. The official website of matblazor. So here we can see the dialog. Let's copy this and paste inside the confirmation dialog Blazor. And the title, I could add the title is delete confirmation action. Also inside the content section, I could add the message. The message is, are you sure you want to delete this customer? And for no thanks button, I'm adding a event handler. Here, the event handler is the cancel. And for OK, I'm adding the event handler is confirm. Let's define this event handler inside the confirmation dialog Blazor CSS file to public void confirm and the cancel as well, public void cancel. Let's define an instance of mat dialog reference. Which is the cascading parameter. So I'm adding attribute here, cascading parameter. And this confirm is an event handler method of OK button. So this will be executed when user click the OK button. And this method will close the dialog by executing the method of close by passing the value to true. And this cancel is an event handler method of cancel button. So this cancel method will also close the dialog, but it will pass value to false. This is all about confirmation dialog. So this is the title, this is the message, and these two buttons. Let's open this confirmation dialog from display customer Blazor CSS file for the confirmation of customer deletion. I will use the open async method. This open async method has two parameters. First one is the component. So for this, I'll pass the confirmation dialog component, and the other parameter is mat dialog option. So this is the mat dialog options. So I'll pass options here. Since this OpenSync returns object, we need to cast this value here. Let's save and let's run the application. Okay, let's click the delete button. Now we can see our customized confirmation dialog. If we click no thanks, this customer is not deleted. But if I click OK, the data will be deleted. Here we can see this title, message, and button text all are static. So we can only use this confirmation dialog for customer delete. If we want to share this confirmation dialog for any kind of information changes in this application, we need make this information dynamic. So let's do it. Adding a parameter string title and public string message, public string OK text should be default is OK, and cancel text default is cancel, or I'm adding here no thanks. So let's change this static value, title, and message, and cancel text, and OK text. We need to pass these parameter values from here. Option has a property attributes. So attributes is a dictionary. Here one parameter is title and the value of this parameter is delete action. We can add a word sign here. The message, let's save and let's run again. Okay, let's click the delete button. Oh, it is getting an error. Let's see the confirmation dialog. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add the parameter attribute of OK text as well as the cancel text. Let's save. Let's refresh the page. Here we can see no error. Let's click the delete button. Now we can see the confirmation dialog and this title, message, cancel, and OK button captions all are dynamic. Thank you.